Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. My dear students, another most important math is the financial statement of Zihan Techs for the year 2019 is shown below. Assets at first, land and building 7,50,000 taka. Then furniture 1,50,000 taka. Then closing stock 2,50,000 taka. Then cash in hand or cash fund 1,12,500 taka. And accounts receivable 2,37,500 taka. Okay, dear students. Now shareholders equity and liabilities. At first, share capital 7,50,000 taka. Income statement or retained earnings statement 3 lakh taka. 10% loan 1,50,000 taka. Accounts payable 2,25,000 taka and notes payable 75,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now additional information. During the year, sales were taka 25 lakh and cost of goods sold were 80% on sales and gross profits 40% were indirect expenses. Okay, dear students. Now you are required to compute A, current ratio, requirement B, liquid ratio and stock turnover ratio, and requirement C, gross profit margin ratio and net profit margin ratio. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Solution. At first, requirement A, that is current ratio. Formula is current assets divided current liabilities. So just follow here. Here current assets is equal to closing stock plus cash fund plus accounts receivable, that is 2,50,000 taka plus 1,12,500 taka plus 2,37,500 taka, that is total current assets 6 lakh taka, and current liabilities is equal to accounts payable plus bills payable, that is 2,25,000 taka plus 75,000 taka, that is total current liabilities 3 lakh taka. So total current assets 6 lakh taka divided total current liabilities 3 lakh taka, that is 2:1. Okay, dear students. Now requirement B1, that is liquid ratio. Formula is liquid assets divided current liabilities. So just follow here. Liquid assets is equal to total current assets minus closing stock, that is total current assets 6 lakh taka minus closing stock 2,50,000 taka. So total liquid assets 3,50,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now 3,50,000 taka divided 3 lakh taka, that is 1.17:1. Okay, dear student. Requirement B2, that is stock turnover ratio. Formula is cost of goods sold divided average stock. Just follow here. Cost of goods sold is equal to sales into 80%, that is 25 lakh taka into 80%, that is 20 lakh taka. Okay, dear student. But in this question there is no opening stock, so closing stock is here average stock. Okay, dear student. Now cost of goods sold 20 lakh taka divided average stock 2,50,000 taka, that is 8 times. Now the question, why times? Because in the requirement remains turnover. For this reason times will be write down here. Okay, dear students. Now requirement C1, that is gross profit margin ratio. Formula is gross profit divided net sales into 100. Here gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales 25 lakh টাকা minus cost of goods sold 20 lakh টাকা. So gross profit 5 lakh টাকা. Okay, dear student. Now 5 lakh টাকা divided net sales 25 lakh টাকা into 100, that is 20%. Now the question, why percent? Because in the formula remain into 100. For this reason percentage will be given. Okay, dear students. Now requirement C2, that is net profit margin ratio. Formula is net profit divided net sales into 100. Here net profit is equal to 5 lakh টাকা minus 5 lakh into 40%, that is 2 lakh টাকা. So net profit 3 lakh টাকা. For this reason net profit 3 lakh টাকা divided net sales 25 lakh টাকা into 100, that is 12%. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C2. Thank you so much.